Super. Gonna go crazy.
Alright, so you press that to turn the board on, and you turn the remote on by pressing the button, and this remote controls the board. This is the trigger. You have to hold it down, and you can go forwards or backwards.
Okay.
Depending on which way you spin the wheel, but you have to hold down the trigger while you spin the wheel. That's how you move forward and backwards. So you put the board down, and then once you stand on it, then you use the remote and you can go. And you can go backwards. Instead of turning the board off by pressing the on and off button on the board and the remote, you can turn them both off by holding down the trigger, holding it down while you hold the button, and that'll turn them both off. So you just hold it like that, you can walk down the stairs with it, and then to ride it, you just lay it down, and then
Clear Sprite, yeah. Mike Tyson bike, yeah. Cup real dirty, yeah. Motocross bike, yeah. We don't